Good morning. I am David, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to teach you some few topics from the second unit of Process Planning and Cost Estimation. Our second unit title is Process Planning Activities. In this video, I am going to discuss about break-even analysis and inspection of products. Break-even analysis. What is this break-even analysis? So it is uh, in economics refers to the point in which total cost and total revenue are equal. That means no loss, no profit point. So by using this analysis, we can find out no loss, no profit point. So it is a quantity. At that point, there is a quantity of product. If that particular quantity of products are made in the industry, there is no loss and there is no gain. So a break-even point analysis is used to determine the number of units or dollars of revenue needed to cover total cost. Then break-even chart. A break-even chart is a chart that shows the sales volume level at which total cost equal sales. Losses will be incurred below this point and profits will be earned above this point. The chart plots revenue, fixed cost, and variable cost on the vertical axis and volume on the horizontal axis. So this is break-even chart. So in x-axis sales volume is there, in y-axis total cost and revenue is there. So this is the fixed cost. So it will not vary depending upon the volume of production. So this is the total cost of the product. Total cost of the product is fixed cost plus variable cost. So this is the total sales, otherwise total revenue. So now this total revenue and total cost will contact at a point. So this point is called break-even point. So at this point there is a quantity of product. So if the industry produces at this particular quantity of product, there is no loss and there is no gain. If the product required is less than this break-even quantity of product, we have to make the decision as buy from outside. If the product required is more than this quantity of product, means we have to take the decision as manufacture that product inside the industry. So this is the elements of break-even chart. Fixed cost. Fixed costs are expenses that remain constant for a period of time irrespective of the level of outputs. Example, depreciation, interest paid on capital, rent, salary, property taxes, insurance premium, etc. Variable cost. Variable cost are expenses that change directly and proportionally to the changes in business activity level or volume. Example, commission of sales, credit card fees, wages of part-time staff, etc. Total cost. It is the sum of fixed cost and variable cost for a certain level of manufacturing. Then inspection of products. The objective of the inspection are to sort out conform and non-conforming product, to initiate means to determine variations during manufacture, to provide means to discover inefficiency during manufacture. Stages of inspection. Stages of inspection of incoming materials, inspection of production process, inspection of finished goods. Then there are two methods of inspection. There is 100% inspection, another one is sampling inspection. 100% inspection. 100% inspection is quite common when the number of parts to be inspection is relatively small. Here, every part is examined as per the specification or standard established, and acceptance or rejection of the parts depend upon the inspection. Sampling inspection. The use of sampling inspection is made when it is not practical or too costly to inspect each piece. A random sample from a batch is inspected and the batch is accepted if the sample is satisfactory. If the sample is not to the desired specification, then either entire batch may be inspected piece by piece, or rejected as a whole. Thank you.